Good afternoon. My name is Dennis Sledford. I'm broker owner of Coldwell Banker First Realtors in Walla Walla. I'm here with Tera Davis from Academy Mortgage. She is our new mortgage representative, and we're going to talk about a few things that have been important to buyers, new and old, and we're going to have some questions. So we're going to start with a couple of questions that Tera will respond to you. Tera, is it true that there are still loans available that allow someone to buy for little or no down?
That is correct. There are different loans out there right now that will allow for 100% financing. Specialty loans such as VA loans, the Washington State bond loan, that's the biggest one right now. It does allow all buyers, first-time buyers, people who have bought years past to buy. As long as you make under $97,000 in the state of Washington, you can purchase a home right now with zero down out of pocket.
That's great news for a lot of young families, and hope that there's some interest that if you think that be a qualifying piece for you and you're interested in housing, Tera will be able to get that information. Tera, what is your advice for buyers that are looking to apply for a home loan in 2013?
What I would say is get started early with a lender. Even if you're not looking to buy now, maybe it's a year from now, 2 years from now, get in and meet with a lender right away, get your credit pulled, and start to talk about the things that you will need to be able to qualify for a loan. Many times people will have their credit report pulled and realize something is showing on there that maybe can be corrected prior to them actually going in to buy. Same with work history. Just get some advice before going in, even if you're a year out.
I've had the experience with a young family that had some issues. Tera was able to identify them, and then she worked with them to work on that so that they could, in 6 months to a year, buy a home. So that would be something Tera could do for anybody.
That's good.
Another one that I like is I hear that applying and actually qualifying for a mortgage has become harder and harder these days. I think that's been the fear with a lot of people. Can you talk about that a little bit?
Absolutely. It is getting harder to qualify for a mortgage, and really not any harder. We just go through more paperwork now. So you may hear, oh, I didn't have to do that in the past, or maybe you personally didn't have to provide all this documentation in the past, but now we get everything on every single loan. So tax returns, pay stubs, W-2s, we're looking for everything on the file. It doesn't mean that it's harder to qualify, it just means that there's more paperwork that's involved, and we handle most all of that for you.
That's good. I think these are some big tips for you if you're looking at buying a home. You don't have to have huge down payments. You can find a home with no down payment if you qualify. Tera would be glad to meet with you at any time. Tera, give them your phone number so that if they needed to reach you by phone, they can do that.
Okay. You can reach me directly at 527-3375.
Okay, and again, we're here at Coldwell Banker, and I know my advice to any of my brokers is to get pre-qualified before you start to look, because that sets the expectations correctly and the type of home you can purchase. I want to thank Tera and all of you, and if it's going to help, be sure you contact Tera. Either walk in by appointment with Coldwell Banker or call her on her phone. Thanks again.
Thank you.